Okay, here we go. This is my first time actually installing this thing, cause you know what? Never mind. Let's enjoy this experience. So, let's get right on. Phew, made it on the train, 15 minutes ahead of schedule. So far so good for my first day on the job. Totally forgot my name tag isn't ready. I should make one. I'll just sign my name here. Okay, time to put the name. Okay, yep, that's my name. Okay, yes, I did spell correctly. Yes, I did. I hope passengers can read my scribble. Pretty nice train. A dining car. Oh my. Am I nervous? This is my first day on the job. Jitters. I think the train's dining car can't be that bad. Come on, DC and Jules. Shake it off. DC and Jules, did I just see you in yourself? Mr. Conductor, sir, how are you doing this morning? Alright, myself. Feeling a little bittersweet. Is everything alright? You told? Not really. Today's my last day as conductor, retiring at 32 wonderful years. For me, the Marriage Express, or I don't know how to spell that, but I'll say Marriage Express to say goodbye to one another. Congratulations on retirement, sir. Thank you. My wife will be very excited about it. She's already got our plane tickets for I don't know how to spell that. Our shower's been on the fritz. I could surely use the hotels. See why his wife is excited. Enough of my squibbles. Today's the first day working on the dining car. Here's the menu for today. Menus added to inventory. Let's see what's on. I can open up the inventory every time to view items I've received. I should look over the menu carefully. Okay. The Marriage Express dining. Chili dog, ramen, chicken. Gordon, I don't know how to say that. I'm so nervous. All we have on the train is a microwave. Even though the quiz is in order, which one of these should we serve in the dining car? Okay, what about chicken, Gordon, whatever it is, it sounds pretty good, so that. Ding ding ding. Glad you could read the menu, okay? About the vessel. This is a state-of-art, high-speed, smart train with all the latest gadgets. This train could be really handled. Okay. This train could really handle anything you throw at it. They have a lot of adventures together. Me and this train, it's not so easy to leave. 32 years, I can't blame you for being wistful. This train is exclusively used for events, not a passenger train. Remember that from the interview. What's the event today? A murder mystery party. Nothing better than some thrills to end my venture as a conductor. Guests will be funneled here to the dining car and as a home base, so to speak. I'll be here with you to gather tickets, but after that you'll be on your own. I'll need you to do everything in your power to make sure our paying guests are taken care of. Understood? I'll make you proud, sir. Glad this old man caress you. Doors to the Marriage Express, or Marriage Express, are open. All aboard.
Wow, this train is incredible. What fascinating tech.
You're right, Tails. Sure, I can get used to staying here on a train like this.
You don't expect. You know I always go all out for my birthday party. Oh, this train's elegant, Amy. I can't promise I won't take anything though.
Calm down, Rouge. Did I not catch you stealing anything from the train gift shop?
It was a pen, Knucklehead. Who's gonna miss a teeny tiny pen? What a taste for characters I'm stuck with.
Get a hold of yourself, DC and Doodles. You're sweating, sweating for your uniform. Great, now I have to take a shower.
Hey pal, can I get some of those chili dogs? Rightio, friend.
Aren't you friendly?
Why can't I be normal for 1 second? Sonic! Wait until I introduce everyone's roles to get food. Sorry about that, birthday girl.
I'll be coming around to collect everyone's tickets. Please have them out and ready. You'll join me, DC and Doodles, will you? Click on whoever you'd like to talk with, then collect their ticket.
Okay, got it.
Okay. Let's go click on Sonic first. Ticket, please. Thank you, kindly, happy to have someone renowned as yourself on board.
Don't worry about it. Just like helping.
When Eggman took over, I truly feared the worst. My kids swore he'd swoop in eventually, and he did. I can't offer much, but then my sincere gratitude.
Don't sweat a thing. I'm glad you and your family are safe. Wait a second. Is he Sonic the Hedgehog?
I can promise you could stay in excellence. I promise you an excellent stay on the train. Sonic, have fun now.
Yes, have fun now.
Will do. Thanks. Okay. I won't do the voices. I won't do this. So Tails. Can I get your ticket, youngling? Youngin? Right here, sir. Thank you, but yeah, may I offer you any of the snacks we have on board? No, thank you. When I travel, I always pack my own sparkle gelatin. Sparkly jelly that can melt any jaded heart.
No way.
I brought my own sparkle gelatin with me too. My first day and I'm a little nervous. Don't be nervous, you're doing great so far. We're sparkle gelatin buddies. Hell yeah, I just gotta... Hell yeah. Yeah. Okay. Absolutely. If you need anything, just let us know. Thank goodness someone on this train is normal. What is up with you? Your character? Okay. Let's go click on nothing. Howdy, can I please get your ticket? And, by the way, I have to drink some water. I think that's a ticket, but I really don't want to argue with this guy. Everything looks good, thank you. Seems like the conductor doesn't want to argue either. let's click Amy now. Can we get the birthday girl's ticket? Hee hee, why certainly. Thank you, miss, and thank you for choosing our fine train as your birthday festivities. Well, the birthday discount certainly helped. Who doesn't love a good bargain? And a murder mystery train sounds exciting. It's right up my alley. Who doesn't love a good thrill? See, I'm a girl who loves true crime. A good crime. Oh my god, I can say that. I'm a girl who loves a good true crime podcast, okay? Maybe we should leave her to have fun. Before we move along, for you, miss. Oh, fun, thank you. Where do I use this? It unlocks any door on the train. Happy birthday. The birthday girl gets the birthday key. It's practically tradition. Very useful. I'll use a slice. Thank you. Okay. Shadow. Here. Thank you. Everything is in order. He seems concerned about something. Is there anything we can help you with? These self-gift bags here. No, sadly, but I have a plastic grocery bag in the back I can get for you. So cold. ECM Doodles, you're shivering. You need me to fetch you your jacket? No, I'm good. Get your ticket. Hit SBO. Of course. Excellent, thank you, and I hope you enjoy your stay with us. Absolutely, I appreciate it. A certain calmness about him. His presence puts me at ease. Consider me calming. He's looking right at me! I study Jiu-Jitsu. Jiu-Jitsu, it sounds like a lot of difficult training. Can you cling onto walls? Cling onto walls? What kind of question is that? Oh, it sounds like some insect would have done. I most certainly can. Conductor looks a bit too smug on that answer. My friend, can I get your ticket? Okay, yeah, Vector. Yeah, sure, of course. As a gentleman of understanding morals, I'd love to show you my ticket. He seems to be avoiding eye contact. Is something amiss, sir? I seem to have misplaced my ticket, bruh. Can I speak up? Can you speak up? I couldn't quite hear. I misplaced my ticket. I don't know what it is. He's not hiding his embarrassment very well. Don't worry, we'll take a look around for you and see what turns up. That would be amazing. Thanks a million. Her eyes peeled for his ticket. May we have your ticket, please? Thank you very much. On top of it, I see. I don't know. As a princess myself, I must always be punctual. Princess? Did you say princess? If you don't mind me asking, are you visiting from somewhere? Separate dimension, actually. A separate what? Just here for Amy's birthday, then I'll have to hop back to my own dimension. I prefer the birthday cake in this world. When I was in my own, so I admit, I'm pretty excited. Oh, you don't say. Well, you enjoy your stay here, princess.
Should I bow? Should I bow before a princess? Bro, why am I so awkward? Why? Why is DC and Doodle so awkward? Like, stop it! You're gonna have sweaty hands at this point. What are you doing? Please get up. Why can't I win with this group? Okay, last one is Rouge. Hello, you two. Can I do something for you? Morning, ma'am. Can we get your ticket? My, how forward. Let me fetch it for you. Come back if you need anything else. You hear? She's so polite. So easy to talk to as well. Ma'am, I saw you sneak that $20 bill out of my pocket. You're gonna have to kindly ask for that back. Okay. Oh, this is yours since you slipped out. Here you go. I may not be actually the best at judging character. Okay. Oh, there it is. It's just sticking out of the napkin holder. Someone in the hole looking earlier. Make sure turn this to rifle. Just make sure no one uses their napkin as a ticket. It sounds gross. Anything yet? Well, we might have just found what you needed. Listen, Doodles, why don't you show our friend here what we picked up? Yep, here's your ticket. It's my ticket. Thank you so much. Thank you so much to you both. I was really worried you'd take me out of here and I have to miss the murder party. Oh, old DC and Doodles here. We've had our hands full kicking you out. We've had their hands. Yeah, you're right. I wouldn't leave without a fight. Wait, who made me both act microwave expert and security guard? You're both alright in my book. Thanks again for the assist. Of course, let us know if you need anything else. It's time for me to read out everyone's roles for the murder mystery party. And that's my cue to leave. Let's prepare the driver's compartment for departure. Yeah, you remember our promise, yeah? We'll do everything in your power to make sure our guests have a safe and enjoyable time in the My Rage Express. I don't know how to say that. What is this? I'm so confused. Jeez. Absolutely. You can count on me. To be honest, this group seems pretty capable on their own. Yeah, I'm surprised we didn't leave this place. Train. I assist DC and Doodles if they need any help. You? That's all I need to hear. You have my trust. Nothing more heartwarming than a conductor in his train. Excellent, I'll be off. I must take my leave. Please have a phenomenal time. Don't worry about mucking up this place. This train is the state of art and has systems. For everything else, please talk to DC and Jules here. Sounds good. Absolutely. Will do. Goodbye now. I like that guy. Thank you for all following the alpha guidance. You all look amazing. I trust you read your lore cards well. Lore cards? That must be the details of their motivations. Guess that makes sense. Lore cards aren't read out loud. Otherwise, people would know the murderer's intentions. Now onto the new group.
a mystery game. One of you, one of you will be murdered, and the rest. That's the thing aside. Everyone has assigned roles for characters they'll be playing. Okay, participation is required, or it is my birthday. Of course. Birthday girl makes the rules. Thank you, son. Yeah, thank you, Sonic. Your ship captain will be stationed in the conduct car. Naturally, that's where the caption. I said caption. What the fuck? Well, that's where the captain should go. Okay, would go. Tails, you're the detective. You'll be in the dining car. Indubitably. Knuckles, you're the sheriff around these parts. Only you will find you in the saloon. Got it. Okay, Rouge, you're a business tycoon, and Blaze, you're a titan of industry. Both in the casino. What's the difference? There is none. What? Okay. Sounds fun. Vector, you're butcher, or the butcher. SBO, the poet, go found the library. With that SBO, we get to hang out together. And do what? Read? We can make a tower of books or something. Shadow's the locksmith. Okay, the locksmith. Hanging out in the lounge. And last but not least, me, the journalist reporter. I'll be mouthing around everyone with everyone. You get that? Get all that? Yes. I was listening in. That's okay. More than alright. You get to ensure everyone's following their roles. Okay, that reminds me. I have a map for each of you. Everyone's station is marked on this map as well. How convenient. Map guiding you. The games are as follows. There's a murder amongst all of you, or you all. Murder can kill a single participant, however they choose, but you must physically be present for the victim for it to count. Everyone here must collect evidence throughout the train and use it to interrogate fellow passengers to figure out who done it. The murderer will lie to get out of being accused, so suspect everything you can, find clues, and interrogate. I set up a timer for 1 hour so everyone can mingle. And the murderer can do the same. Is everyone ready? Sounds like everyone's excited. Everyone clear your station. Okay. Fuck. Okay, everyone to your stations. Not yet. I like it. Okay. This is so amazing. Mystery unfolding right now under our very noses. Okay, what the should I choose? Okay. How thrilling, I might have goosebumps. Same. Isn't this awesome? Shouldn't you two be out here, like, mingling with everyone? Well, actually, the detective and the journalist can't be the murderer. We're stuck here for an hour before, like, going out and scoping the place. Yeah, and this way there's always a neutral party. Makes sense to me? Seems as though Amy is more excited about deciphering the mystery anyways. What do you think everyone's doing? Probably inspecting their stages and talking amongst one another. Everyone here has a role to play, so they must be exploring their characters. You know what their character motivations are, Amy? No, the lore cards are confidential, so no one knows but the person who received them. My backstory shows that I was best friends with the Flicky and decided to join the Dr. Eggman, starting my desire for justice in the world. My lore is that I'm a nosy turned journalist. Oh my god. Oh gosh, you try to get all that gossip. Jeez, most that way. Not gonna lie, that kind of sounds fun. Wish I wasn't on microwave duty. What the fuck? The train started moving. It's so fast. Grab onto something. What's going on? I'm slipping. Hold on. I can't. Ah! No! Oh, not dead. You're both awake. Yeah. Seems like the train has slowed down a little considerably. Is everyone alright? My head's spinning, but I'm okay. Seems like everyone's been knocked into a dining car's closet. This train can reach such incredible speeds. We're getting our money's worth with this experience. That's for sure. Hold up. Okay, this is gonna... Hold up a little break. Gotta go. Okay, I'm back. So, okay, we're getting our money's worth with this experience, that's for sure. This is actually intended. Wait, hold up. This is actually intended. It's my first date, so I'm not really sure. I don't really recall all them warning about this in the interview. Let's go check out the others. Listen, girls, can you get the door? Of course. This seems like the door's blocked. I don't think it's budging. Amy, give that fallen shelf a whack with your Pico hammer. Let's find another way out of here. I'll start looking for clues. I'll search here. I know Amy. She's hiding something. Huh? I suppose she did wake up before us, so something should have happened. Listen, I know I'm the detective here, but all best detectives have sidekicks, so I need your help. Let's gather clues on why Amy's acting this way and interrogate her about it. Explain everything in this closet will show to Amy to uncover the whole situation. Gather evidence and interrogate. Got it. I'll need you to do everything in your power to make sure our paying guests are taken care of. Understood? Understood. Flashback right there. You can count on me, Tails. I won't turn evil like your ex-flicky companion did. Happy to hear that. Let's get searching. Okay, I'm probably not gonna do this. I'm probably gonna that's it for today's video. Just want to get into the mechanics. I'll save my game right here, and yeah, this is pretty good. Introduction to the certain things. So, bye.